A much needed drink, huh? Yeah? Stavros, pretty good, huh? A most leisurely meal and drink you've had at my place for a month, I'd say. Yes? It's really nice. And we can have a proper catch-up. Yeah? Do you want to chat now? Now you're full? Stavros, do you want to have a chat now you're full? Yeah? Good boy. Good boy. It was odd today because you seemed to fly away as though Sid had come, but then you came straight back. Yeah, is he otherwise engaged? Sid Vicious. Okay. Anyway, all good. Yep. Say hi to your fans on Facebook. Yeah. And YouTube. Yes. Good boy. Okay. Okay. I need to have my food now. Yeah? Better have my food. Good boy. Okay, doke. Good boy. Good to have a chat.